Alright, we got Taemin, Sexy in the Air. Supposedly, I was told this was called Sex in the Air. Everybody say hello to YouTube. I don't know why I'm going to upload this because your boy's just going around, not being able to edit here and there. But we got Taemin. We got to stop. We got to stop and just smell that Taemin air. Whoa. First MV under his label. Oh, that's true. That's true. New label. Who this? New label. Who this? But without further ado, it's in 4K. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Where are we going? Is this a nervous system? God damn! Sorry. Hold the front door, bro. Hold up. You see this man? You see this man? God damn. Alright. He ain't playing. That stare down though. Sexy's in the air. Wherever he goes, Sexy's always gonna be in the air. At Cake in LA, Sexy. Bro, if I ever have the opportunity to ever meet Taemin, I'm not saying I will, or ever work with him, I feel like I'll be so intimidated. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be fanboying like a mug. I think it'll be my... I don't think I'll be able to speak English. I'ma be able something that turn me down now, making me crazy, making me spin around. It sounds like he's saying sex is in the air though too, no? There's no captions yet, I think. Ooh, he got a velvet outfit. Nah, I hear sex is in the air, and it damn well is. Don't be looking at me like that, Taemin. What the hell? Listen, I'm manifesting Taemin to be on Ultimate Bias K-pop cast. I'm manifesting DPR Ian and Taemin do a collaboration in a full music video where they're next to each other. I'm manifesting a full solo world tour. I'm manifesting a lot. Woo! What the fuck? What is this switch up? Oh, it's wet. Oh, they wet. They water bombing. You know what I'm talking about? Water bomb LA is coming soon. I would love to have Taemin on the lineup, but I don't know. Cause I'm desperately trying to find my fake and real. Does he have Kingdom Hearts shoes? Sorry, that's not the thing you should be concentrating about, Dre. God damn, everybody wet. It says sex is in the air. Hey, yeah. I swear to God, this man is not gonna age. I'm gonna bet on this. In 10 years, he's gonna look damn. He's gonna have like that Pharrell effect. You know what I'm saying? You know how Pharrell looked like he never ages until you reach a certain age? I feel like even at 40, he's still gonna look the same. Still with the same damn body. He's gonna be like TVXQ. You know how TVXQ is just ripped for no damn reason? And I'm like, damn, how long you been doing this? I love his outfit right here, though. Bro, JoJo Post. Woo! Get it. Ah! Damn, what is this box? This is the new... Hey man, it says sexy in the air. I hear sex is in the air. Tell you, some of these idols be, listen, they just be taking care of themselves. Listen, as an artist and idol, I feel like just like how athletes put most of their money into their body, I think idols like Taemin, like they just take care of the body, skincare, workouts, like nutrition. I feel like it's the same thing. Like you're at tip top form, you know what I'm saying? I love when Taemin dances. I love when Taemin does anything to me. He could just say, Taemin, just say Dre once, please. Low-key, I feel like Taemin could seduce me. Hedgen, you better watch out. It's two people you gotta worry out in this world. Taemin and Felix. Maybe Taeyang too. I feel like Taeyang, listen. He literally saying sex in the air. It's okay, we can share Taemin. Whoa. What the? I'm gonna have to check out his album for Patreon for sure. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Support your boy on Patreon. Thank you. Horizon. Okay, we definitely have to check out the album after all that. That was... Can I just watch this one more time? Like when he was going like this. Like right here. He riding something. That's what's show. Oh, 102. He need to stop, bro. He grinding. That's grinding. Everybody in this whole music video is grinding right now, and they saying sex in the air. They know damn well what they're doing, and it's working. It's working. Anyways, that's about it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Put in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy Dre. Go check out the Ultimate Bias K-pop podcast, K-pop cast. It depends on our guest. We have DPR Ian out right now. We got I Am from Monster X out right now, and a lot, bro. We're gonna have bangers after bangers, bro. Be sure to check it out if you haven't already. Be sure to check out my Patreon, check out my Instagram, TikTok is at Just Random Every Day. I think both of them are labeled that. And yeah, see you till next time, YouTube. Come through to Twitch. Bye.